Hey there, online earners! Welcome back to another exciting video where we explore innovative ways to make money online. Are you tired of scrolling through countless emails without a single reward? It can be frustrating, right? What if I told you that your inbox could become a cash-generating machine? Yes, you heard that right. Today I'm going to show you how you can get paid just for reading emails. Imagine turning your daily routine into a profitable venture. Yes, you heard that right. You can actually earn money by simply reading emails. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on any of our amazing money-making methods. Trust me, you don't want to miss out. We offer global opportunities for online earning, so comment your country below for region-specific videos. We want to tailor our content to help you the best way possible. All set? Let's get started. Get ready to transform your email habits into a money-making activity. Would you like to get paid for simply reading emails online? It's a fantastic way to earn some extra cash with minimal effort. Sounds easy, right? Well, that's because it is. This is one of the simplest ways to make money online. Imagine receiving daily paid emails in your inbox and getting paid every time you confirm reading them. It's like getting rewarded for something you already do. Let me introduce you to a legitimate platform that makes this possible: Paid to Read Email. This platform is a game changer for anyone looking to earn extra income. Paid to Read Email is an online rewards community where you can earn money for your time and efforts. It's a versatile platform with multiple earning opportunities. You can earn by reading emails, taking surveys, completing offers, referring friends, and more. The possibilities are endless. And the best part? They pay you 1 cent to 10 cents for every paid email you confirm reading. It might not sound like much, but it adds up quickly. Just follow the instructions in the email and your account will be credited. It's that simple and straightforward. Now, here's the best part. There are even more ways to boost your earnings. Join and activate your account, and you'll earn a $3 sign-up bonus. That's right, you get paid just for signing up. On top of that, you can take daily paid surveys and earn between 50 cents to $1 per survey. It's a great way to increase your earnings. Payments are processed through PayPal, and you'll receive your money within 3 business days upon request, as long as your commissions exceed $15. It's reliable and efficient. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear your thoughts or experiences related to today's topic. Your feedback is invaluable to us. Have you tried getting paid to read emails before? How did it go? We're eager to hear your stories and tips. Drop a comment below and share your story. Let's build a community of online earners. Thanks for watching. Your support means the world to us. If you found the video valuable, please support us by liking, commenting, and sharing it. It helps us reach more people. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos. We have a lot more exciting content coming your way. See you in the next video. Stay tuned and keep earning.